We want our clients to know that a personal injury case is not just an injury. We understand. We understand that it can affect your ability to go back to work. We understand that it can affect your future, and we understand that it can affect your family. We tend to deal with a lot of serious and complex personal injury cases and catastrophic injuries. These typically arise out of car wrecks, motorcycle accidents, and trucking wrecks. The steps that we take to help clients obtain compensation is we first meet with that client and outline their goals. We then meet with doctors, other experts such as accident reconstructionists, economists, and things like that. I believe someone should choose me to handle their personal injury case because when they hire me, they get me. When they call me, I personally return their telephone call. My ultimate goal when fighting for my clients' personal injury case is to make sure that they get the benefits and the compensation that they deserve, but also that the results that they seek are achieved.